questions 1 through 10 on the 2015 Grade 7 Gauss Math Contest. In the diagram, the fraction of the circle that is shaded is equal to. Well, as you can clearly see, they've divided the circle into 4 parts, and one of those 4 parts is shaded. So 1 out of the 4 parts is shaded, and therefore that is the fraction that they're asking for. So number 1, the answer is C. The value of 10 times 5 minus 2 is equal to, do the brackets first, so that's 3, and then you do the multiplication, so that's 30. So number 2, the answer is D. The graph shows the total distance that each of 5 runners ran during a 1-hour training session. Which runner ran the least distance? This is a basic interpretation of a graph. Here are the distances in kilometers, and they're saying which one had the lowest number of kilometers, and as you can clearly see, that's Pete, who looks like he ran 2 kilometers. So number 3, the answer is C. The equal arm scale shown is balanced. One rectangle has the same mass as. As you can clearly see, 2 rectangles are equal to 6 circles. So if you divide both sides by 2, you get 1 rectangle is equal to 3 circles. And of the answer choices, the one that shows 3 circles is here, B, for number 4. Which of the following is closest to 5 centimeters? The length of a full-size school bus, height of a picnic table, height of an elephant, length of your foot, length of your thumb. Well, I guess you just have to use common sense on this one. 5 centimeters is a very small distance, and of the answer choices, the one that makes the most sense would be the length of your thumb. So number 5, the answer is E. The number of centimeters in 3.5 meters is, so we have 3.5 meters times 100 centimeters per meter. And when you do that math, you get 350 centimeters. And therefore, number 6, the answer is A. The perimeter of the figure shown is, all of these are labeled except this guy. So we have to figure that out. Well, from here to here is 2, and from there to there is 3, and these are all right angles. So that means this has got to be 2 plus 3, right? And now we just have to add up the sides. So 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5. And when you add up all those numbers, you get 20. So number 7, the answer is D. Hannah scored 312 points during the basketball season. If her average was 13 points per game, how many games did she play? 312 divided by the number of games is 13. That's basically the math here. So G would be 312 divided by 13, and that is equal to 24. So the number of games she played is 24. Number 8 is A. The number 6 has exactly 4 positive divisors, 1, 2, 3, and 6. How many positive divisors does 20 have? Okay, well, we can make a list. 20 is equal to 2 times 2 times 5. So let's see, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. So that's 6. I'll show you a little trick. This is 2 to the power of 2 times 5 to the power of 1, right? To find the number of divisors, it's actually very cool. You take this number, add 1, and you take this number and add 1, and then you multiply those two numbers. So that would be 3 times 2, which is 6. And that's the answer. So number 9, the answer is B. How many different 3-digit whole numbers can be formed using the digits 4, 7, and 9, assuming that no digit can be repeated in a number? Well, let's just list them. 4, 7, and 9, 4, 9, and 7. 7, 4, and 9, 7, 9, and 4. 9, 4, and 7, 9, 7, and 4. And I think that's it. So that's 6 of them. So number 10, the answer is A.